Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.
Happy birthday, Hišo eksperimentov. You are just
Fantastic!
You are amazing. It's been fantastic discovering this science center. It's been fantastic meeting the team, working with the team, coming to Snanstival. Hišo eksperimentov has changed my life in so many ways, in professional ones, in personal ones. It's been so important in my development as a science communicator. I just want to say a huge thank you and long life to Hišo eksperimentov with its amazing team, its amazing commitment to a very high level of science communication. Thank you so much and long life to this institution. You are fantastic!
Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.